What's up guys, it's Mr. Chilito Lindo, and for today's order, we're doing an El Compadre Combo Birria no cheese for Emily D. Let's get started. First, we're gonna grab our box, add some rice to it, beans, cheese on our beans. We're gonna get one of these top little sheets of paper. Grab our consomme. Little cebolla cilantro in there. Put this back up. Some cebolla asada. Chilito asado. Two slices of lime. Pause. And then we wait for our toppers to be made. And the pre-workout. Now that the tacos are done, bring them over here. Throw them in the box. Cebolla cilantro in it. And they're ready to go. Enjoy your order, Emily.